Okay, hi. In previous videos, we have seen about the drone installation over EC2 instances and runner as well. Actually, today we are going to see about Dockerizing a Spring Boot application with the help of drone. Okay, okay. First, we are going to see about the Spring Boot setup. I already had the sample project as well, and I'll walk through the drone YAML file as well, the build steps. Finally, we'll see the demo. Okay. Droneci demo is a Spring Boot application. We have Spring Boot application class. So I have only one controller file actually. I will display just the employee details actually. The name, first name, last name, and the email ID. That's it actually. So the model encloses the attributes. That's it actually. Okay. Here we have this is a Docker file which encloses how to Dockerize the Spring Boot application. I'm using the OpenGDK 8 as a base image actually. Okay. Okay. We'll see the uh, okay. What is drone.yml file actually? Drone.yml file is we have to enclose the build steps inside the YAML file. The build will trigger based on the steps we have mentioned in the YAML file. First, the default one is we need to mention the kind. It should be the pipeline actually. Type whether it is a Docker or Kubernetes or SSH or else host, which means where the build will taken place. The build will taken place inside the Docker, or it will be any Kubernetes pod, or else it will be executed in the remote host, or else in the drone server itself actually. Okay. Here we have enclosed two steps. One is a Maven build, and another one is a driven out the Docker image and push the image to the Docker repo. Okay. When the build will taken place actually, the build will be taken place based on the cron job configuration. Also by default, once we check in the source code into the GitHub repository, it will pick up. The build will trigger actually. Okay. Below one is the additional configuration. Let me show the GitHub repo. We have checked in the source code in the GitHub. Okay, I have checked in the source in the GitHub. It's a drone.yaml file. This comprises steps, which comprise of build steps. The build will trigger based on these steps only. As we have seen the presentation, I have mentioned it as a kind is mentioned as a pipeline. So type is a Docker based build. Step is a two steps I have enclosed it. One is build the package by make use of Maven thing, and second one is a Docker build actually. Docker is the Spring Boot thing actually. Actually, there will be one plugin is there actually plugin slash Docker. It will automatically driven out image and push the image in the following repo actually. Okay. Okay. Let me show the drone thing as well actually. Okay. These are the repositories which we have enclosed in the GitHub. This one is our the Spring Boot demo. Actually, the first build has been failed due to the untrusted repository cannot mount host volume. Actually, for this thing, we need to enable the repository as a trusted. Actually, okay. By make use of the command line things only, we were able to enable the AP as a trusted. Actually, I will I will teach. Sorry, I will tell this thing in the separate video. Actually, okay. Apart from the drone thing, sorry, apart from the YAML thing, other build configuration will be support. These are the other build configuration will be supported by the drone. It's a JSON net. It's a scripting language which includes the JSON plus script and Starlock. Actually, it is developed by Google. It's a Python dialect configuration language. It's a limited thing. It will be the syntax are more or less more or less to Python dialect. Okay, let me do some changes here. I'm just adding one more comment here. So just comment for build. So because once you check in only the build will pick up actually. Okay, git status, it will show our thing. Docker file is modified. Okay, git space add space dot git space commit build change. You should provide the commit actually. The commit will be mentioned in the build description actually. Git commit hyphen m. Sorry. Okay. Git push. Once we push this thing, mm, push the code to the GitHub. The webhook already placed in the GitHub from drone thing. It will pick up the build actually. Yeah, already picked up I guess actually. Yeah, the build is triggered actually. Here we have two steps of build. By default, the clone will happen actually. It will check out the code from the GitHub. The first one is a build. It will Our step is we are cleaning the by makers of the Maven. We are clean build actually, clean install. Okay, it pulls dependencies from a repository. Okay, finally, okay, it takes some time. Okay, I think it's done actually. Okay, okay. The Docker build will be based on the our Docker file actually. Okay, or here the base image is Alpine image, JDK Alpine image. Uh, but we are using the Docker plugin, so it will automatically push the image to the Docker repository. Okay, I'll show the Docker thing. I'll show you in Docker Hub. Okay, drone demo. Yeah, okay. Yeah, minute ago, the image has been pushed into the Docker repository actually. Okay, 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 Docker drone thing. Okay, so it shows image has been pushed a minute ago, which means our drone build a drone will push us the image to the Docker repository. Okay, okay. I think that's it for today's session. Thank you.